What's up guys, RC here. Got my Berserker all fixed up. I broke my upper A arm last time. Ran this guy, broke that, broke the rod ends on the sway bars. Oh shit. So got those replaced. Changed out the diff oil in the back to from the stock really sticky glue type of fluid in there. Changed out to the Trackstar 50K fluid. Did the same for the front. And yeah, I'm gonna run this guy and see how it handles. Came out here last time with my ruckus. It was pretty cold. Couldn't really spend too much time out here, but this place I met, it's got some jumps that I can try. Should be pretty fun. So yep, stand by. All right, let me cross this dangerous road here first. It's a nicer day today, mid 40s. It's been pretty cold out here. Grab a picture really quick. Yep, see how this guy does here. Still only running 3S. Oh crap, man, I landed on that one wheel. Oh, what? Oh, little glitch there. Lost throttle for a second. Ah, I took the nosedive there. Ooh, landed on the left wheels there. Oh, I'm still running the stock shock oil, so it looks like it's a little bouncy. Might have to, ouch, swap out some 60 weight or 80 weight fluid for a shock. Oh, look at this little dancing there. Oh man, this took a That took a hit. Luckily it's not too cold today. I mean, it's still pretty chilly, but yeah, it would have broken something if it's like 20 degrees out here today. Ouch, ouch. Oh, that hurts. Ooh. I think I broke the mound there. Oh man, yeah, definitely. Definitely broke the wing too. Broke this part here. Landed on it pretty hard. Jesus, I actually broke both of them. Let's see if I can actually move it back in. Oh shit! It's my fault. Too much throttle there. One more hit on this. Sure, come clean off. I think I make some adjustment on the. I had the neutral 25% brake power. I think I might have to change it back to 10. Came clean off it. Yeah, what happened is the quarter percent, 25% power tend to nosedive a little bit more. So instead of letting the throttle off completely, I kind of have to keep a little bit of throttle in there. Just keep the truck at level. That was me. My finger slipped off the trigger, so I couldn't correct for that. I'm really surprised the front didn't break off. It landed on it a couple of times pretty hard. Oh. Yeah, you see that? Once I let the finger off a trigger, it took a nose dive immediately. So I gotta go back and change it back to 10%. Yeah, and your little heavier shock oil there. Still bouncing a little bit too much. Yeah, I think the 50K is still a little bit too light for the diff here. I'm still sliding out. Yeah, I see him still sliding out too much. A little hop there. Oh, nice little swans there in the river there. Truggy runs pretty well. I mean, still needs a little bit more adjustment, but it's not too bad. Good thing when I bought the wheelie bar, I think they gave me a couple of
spare wing mount, I think. So not too big of an issue if I don't. These are broken off. I want to go there, but it's a little too muddy. Not in the mood of cleaning the truck today. Let's see what I got over there. Bunch of rocks and stuff. Yeah, I'm just gonna stick over here, do some more jumps. Oh, what happened there? It's a bad launch there. Carrying this stupid wing. It's too big to fit in my pocket. Oops, put this down here. Ooh, ooh, oh, what was that sound? Took a chunk of that mud. Yeah, I'm really not liking that neutral throttle, 25% brake. It's really, every time I let go of the trigger, drops the nose pretty much a lot. I think next time I run this truck is gonna be on 4S, because initially, you know, 3S was pretty good, but now it's I think I'm ready to go 4S on this truck. I think my battery is about done. Yep. Oh shit! Holy shit! Almost wiped out. Oh man, that would have been bad, man. Let's see. Any damage? It's not slop here. What's going on? I don't remember it having that much slop. Might have to tighten up the servo saver a little bit. See that? Everything's still intact. Nothing's broken except for the wing mount. Temperature, pretty warm actually. Can't keep my finger on it. It turned off. I think it shut off. But I'm not gonna run it too much. I'm gonna drive this back to the car instead of walking there. There you have it. Let me take one more picture and I'll call it a day. Yep, guys. It was a fun run. Not too much damage. At least I broke a part that I have a spare for. Not something I have to go out and buy and wait. Alright, so thanks for watching.